Hello guys and welcome to Different Russia channel. Today is a great day. We finally decided to cook pelmeni. I liked the comment in YouTube that pelmeni, that is small Russian boiled pies. That is a very funny description of what we are going to do. The ingredients, guys, are very simple, and I'm sure there won't be any problems to find them in your local store. And just not to waste your time, let's start. First of all, we are going to cook dough, then what we will put inside. And the third part of the video, how we cook them on fire. So guys, we have prepared just a little bit. Here we have 250 milliliters of warm water, just pure water, big egg, chicken egg, salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or you can use any vegetable oil. And also we have flour, about 1 pound of flour, half a kilogram. Yeah? So Alex, do not waste time. Alex is very slippery today. So,
Так, ребят,
first of all we put water.
Да, вливаем воду.
Then egg. One teaspoon of salt. If you do not like a lot of salt, you can use just not as much salt as we use.
Масло.
Vegetable oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, so any vegetable oil is fine. And the flour.
Теперь просеиваем муку.
Yeah. We usually, guys, cook the dough in the bread making machine. We have a special machine and it helps us a lot. We cook bread and also dough. We can cook jam, even jam in that machine. But as I'm sure not everyone has such a machine, today, guys, will be the experiment. For the first time, we will be cooking the dough with hands.
В качестве машины будет Алекс.
Yeah, Alex will be the machine.
Хорошая мука.
Dough killer automat. Yeah, Alex.
Да. Так, все, ребят, теперь месим до...
Yeah. Now, guys, when all the ingredients are in the bowl, we are going to mix them together. Давай, Alex. Alex, your face is not very optimistic. Alex is a big fan of cooking and he loves to cook dough. You can see it on his face. Honestly speaking, guys, that is the first time when Alex is cooking dough. The process, guys, is very simple but rather tiresome if you do not have the special machine. It can take maybe 10 minutes or a little bit more. The dough mustn't be sticky. At the moment it sticks to Alex's hands and it means it is not ready.
Ставлю неудобно.
Yeah. It is not very convenient to do it when you sit. But I told Alex to sit because he is out of the frame. Everyone is helping. Under the table is Sheffy and on the couch is Kitty. Everything is fine with them so far. Though we have rather bad weather, especially for Sheffy because very slippery outside and Sheffy falls constantly. So today he refused to go for a walk. He went to the toilet and told Alex, that means let's go home. I don't want to walk on the ice.
Руками достаточно тяжело промесить.
Yeah, Alex says rather hard to mix everything with hands. You see, it is not as sticky as in the beginning. Now Alex will put a little bit of flour on the table and we continue on the table. The change of decoration, guys, and now Alex is trying. Alex, that is not how you should do it. I will show you just a moment. After some instruction, guys, Alex now is a professional. Alex, don't be so serious. That is just dough.
Не, ну доу, его надо сделать. Вымесить. Это однородное было.
Alex, if you like to eat pelmeni, you must like to do them. Because usually Alex can find pelmeni on the plate with butter and sour cream, and he thinks that it is not very difficult to cook them. Now he will feel from the very beginning how difficult it is. So guys, now we mix for about 5 minutes, 5 extra minutes. So guys, about 5 extra minutes have passed. The dough is ready. It is not sticky, as you can see. Now we will put it into the plastic packet. Alex, положи в пакетик.
Чтобы не сохло.
Yeah, because it can dry very fast. Yeah. And now, guys, the inside of our pelmeni. We are going to use meat. Here we have 1 pound of meat. You can also use chicken or whatever you like, so any meat is good. Also we have onion, garlic, pepper and salt. Now Alex will mix everything. We have already cut the garlic into small pieces, and also we cut the onion. Very small pieces of garlic and onion. So we mix everything, guys. 1 pound of meat, 3-4 big pieces of garlic, 150 grams, approximately 150 grams of onion.
Даже если положите побольше, ничего страшного, будут сочные пельмени.
If you put more onion, your pelmeni will be more juicy. Not a problem if you put less or a little bit more of onion. So salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can use maybe half a teaspoon of salt, so it depends upon your taste.
Pepper.
And a little bit of pepper. Maybe half of a teaspoon, so approximately like that. That is the classical recipe of pelmeni. You can use, of course, any spices you like, but the classical recipe is pepper, black pepper and salt. Now mix thoroughly everything. By the way, guys, if you do not eat meat, maybe you are vegetarian, you can use cottage cheese. That will be вареники. In Russian that is called вареники. So if you use meat, that is pelmeni. If you use cottage cheese, that is вареники. You can also use cheese. Here we call it адыгейский сыр, and also some variation of вареники. Also you can boil potato, mashed it, so mashed potato, a little bit of onion, salt and pepper, and the inside is ready. It will be картофельные вареники или вареники с картошкой. So вареники with potato.
Творог еще.
А я сказала cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese.
In Russian that is творог. Cottage cheese is творог. The next step, we are going to mix the dough with meat. Not to mix, but to combine.
Ну, постоял, кстати, лучше стало.
Yeah.
Колбаса.
So guys, we are making the small pieces. They should be round. do not make a lot of them because the dough will dry, so just a little bit and cover with plastic packet. That is, guys, just a little bit of flour because pelmeni are sticky and it will be easy to take them from the plate. That is, guys, a very simple variant. In a few minutes we will show you another one. At the moment, as you can see, the circles are not very round. If you make big circles, your pelmeni will be big. If you are not lazy, you can make small circles and it will be tastier.
Alex is very lazy.
Yeah, Alex is very lazy.
Oh,
Yeah, Alex, good job.
да. Мы любим пельмени. Часто их готовим.
Alex says that we love pelmeni and we often cook them. But now it is a little bit tiresome because we did not use bread making machine. But usually that is very therapy meditation to cook pelmeni. You can watch some kind of a film or a show on TV or on YouTube and cook pelmeni. Now, guys, another variant. We make a very big but very thin piece of dough.
Сейчас скатаем.
Then we will take a cup or a glass, as big size as you like, and we will make some very round circles with it. As you can understand, we are very lazy, that is why our circles are big. But if you take a small cup, it will be small. But the rest of the process is the same. Kitty is back. Kitty doesn't want us to film. Every time you do not use the circles, put the plastic on the top. The dough, guys, is very stretchy, and if you put a lot of meat, that's not a problem. If you cook a lot of pelmeni, you can put them into the fridge, into a very cold zone where the frozen food, and they can be good for a long time. By the way, that is very healthy and very easy way to cook lunch or dinner if you are tired and you do not have enough time to cook a good big dinner, so you can use pelmeni. So, guys, and now the simple process of cooking our dumplings, or in Russian that is pelmeni. The process of cooking is very simple, as if you cook pasta, for example. In boiling water you put pelmeni, put some spices. Alex will be using... Alex, what spices are you going to use?
Да, кто чего хочет. Salt and bay leaf.
So, Alex says you can use any spices you like, but he will use salt and bay leaf. What is, guys, is very important here is to stir them a little bit, because they can stick to the bottom and it will be a big tragedy. So from time to time, while you are boiling them, please stir them. You have to boil them, I think, about 10 minutes. 8 minutes, maybe 9 minutes, so about 10 minutes. When pelmeni are floating somewhere at the top, they are ready.
Всплываем, всплываем. Come on.
Alex is waiting for pelmeni to swim at the top. Now, guys, some salt.
один листик.
Alex says one bay leaf is enough.
Да.
So now Alex will be stirring them from time to time, and in 10 minutes we will be eating them. So guys, 10 minutes have passed. Our pelmeni are ready. And now guys, the delicious part of all this process, degustation. Alex,
Маслица намажу.
traditional way is to eat pelmeni with butter, with sour cream. Some people love ketchup or mayo. Alex will be eating with butter and sour cream. So guys, that was a really simple, fast and healthy Russian recipe. Very simple if you use a bread making machine, for example, to cook dough, and it doesn't take really, well, 10 minutes just to cook them. So very simple recipe and very yummy. Yeah, Alex. So guys, thank you for watching. Soon will be some more episodes. Alex will be cooking at our Dutch. Yeah, the summer season, Dutch season in 2 months. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, in 2 months.
2 месяца.
Now it's the middle of February, March, April. So in April, guys, in April we will cook at Dacha. So, but for the moment that is all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you soon. Пока.
Пока.